Let's talk about arithmetic operators. In Python, we can use a lot of arithmetic operators that you probably are familiar with. So we can use the plus symbol for addition when we're dealing with integers. When we're doing stuff with strings, remember the plus symbol is a way for us to concatenate. So as long as we're using integers or floats, we can use the plus symbol. We use the minus symbol for subtraction. We use this star for multiplication. Division is a single forward slash, and we'll talk about the difference. These you may not be as familiar with, but we can use two forward slashes for integer division. This percentage sign, we're going to do something called modulus division. So it essentially finds the remainder of the answer. So we'll show an example here in a second. And then we can use two stars to raise something to the power. So raise it to the fourth power or something similar. So integer division, remember an integer is a whole number. So if we wanted to take a whole number and divided it by a whole number, we would get out a whole number. So 7 divided by 2 is 3. Notice that we don't have any point something, even though 3 times 2 is 6, we have a remainder of 1, but that remainder of 1 is just gone. And so when we do integer division with this double slash, it's just going to do the division without any float. The modulus division is the other way. So this is if we're going to divide 7 by 2, we'll have a remainder. So 7 modulus 2 gives us the remainder that is left. So here's some code that we're going to be practicing with later, but you can see here that 7 modulus 2, we're assigning it to a variable answer. We can do 7, remember this is integer division, and this will give us an answer of 3. And then right here we're doing 7 divided by 2, and this will actually change it to be a float, so a decimal point number.